Understand something. With time, 1 or 2 years later, if you have a business, if you have 2 businesses giving you 2 or 3 jobs a month and they are exclusively working with you, and I always teach people to work exclusively with their companies, and I tell them that they should try to build that exclusive period with them. That would mean 2 jobs would mean £10,000 a month. If you fill 2 jobs at £30,000 a month, that would be £9,000 a month. And if you've got 2 of those companies, then obviously you're making a lot of money. And that's the point here, that you only need 2 companies to make upwards of £200,000 a year minimum. Remember guys, recruitment's one of those industries where you get paid a lot of money as long as you put in the effort. Like, you will get paid extremely well as long as you put in the effort, you do the action, which by the way, not many people are willing to do in most businesses. Put in the action, send emails, message people on LinkedIn, take a passive approach, do whatever you have to do, but take action. Now, day 14 and day 15, you will need to organize interviews. Inshallah, at this point, you should start looking to have interviews. And here again, it's very important to manage the process, but continue business development, sending CVs, speaking to candidates, sending emails, and doing LinkedIn messages, as well as then organizing the interviews. Speak to your candidates and make sure that they are happy with everything. Make sure that the client understands. If there are any issues on the candidate side, the client knows. And if there are any issues from the client, then the candidate knows. Manage the process and make sure you are communicating with both parties. And by day 15, by the way, which is obviously 3 weeks in, because we only have 5 days left now, and there's working, in terms of working days, we've got 5 days left. Bearing in mind, speaking to candidates on the weekend and the evenings, it's completely fine. And it's not an issue at all. But you need to take every single step on the way. You need to speak to candidates, you need to speak to companies, and you need to send emails, and need to send the LinkedIn messages. Every single thing you guys should be doing. And in the last week of that month, as long as you've done the numbers, as long as you've made the calls and sent the emails and the LinkedIn messages, you will start seeing results. You will start seeing companies saying, I like this guy, he was good, etc., etc. Why? Because in the blue collar side, as in with the jobs that are not paying huge amounts, 30,000, 25, 35,000, they will move quickly. They will have one interview and they will probably have some sort of an offer. So the point is this, you should have results come in on the 4th week. And remember, 2 placements is upwards of £10,000 a month. And if the salaries are high, £35,000 a year, you're making upwards of £10,000 a month. So recruitment is one of those industries where you can make a lot of money, but the hard work is needed, especially in the beginning. With time, it gets easier and easier. And 7 years into starting my own recruitment company, it's completely passive now. And you can do that too. But in the beginning, work hard.